Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change your preferred payment method in your PayPal account. So to do this, we're going to head on over to paypal.com and I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once we're over at paypal.com, click login and log in with your PayPal email as well as password. And once we're logged into our account, on our PayPal summary page, what we want to do is find the wallet tab and click on that. And then once we're in the wallet tab, over here on the left-hand side, it'll list all of your different payment methods, such as your PayPal balance, a checking account, a credit card, a debit card. Whatever you want to be your preferred payment method, just select that in the payment methods here on the side. So let's say you wanted it to be your PayPal balance. Well, then over here, it's right down in this area. It says preferred when paying online, and then click where it says set as preferred. And as soon as you click that, what should happen is getting a little green check mark here above where it says preferred when paying online. And also just to double check, whichever payment method is currently your preferred payment option, it'll have a little green text box here in the area of that particular payment method that labels it as your preferred method, as you can see that here in my PayPal balance payment method option. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you change your preferred payment method in your PayPal account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.